Okay, hi students. This first video is going to show you how you can answer the questions from today's assignment in science class on your Office 365 account. So the first thing I want you to do is on the general channel, go ahead and access the assignment that says what is matter, passage, and text-based questions. I'm going to view that assignment. When you view it, it looks like this. So notice that there's two PDFs here for you to look at. So one is the matter passage itself, and the other one is the questions. So I'm going to read this. I could print it out, I can mark it up, whatever I want to do with this, but this is where I'm going to get my information. And then I also have the text-based questions here. Okay, so now these text-based questions I want to answer over here in a Word document. So in another window, I have my single sign-on. I'm logged into that, and I'm looking at my applications, and I have my Office 365. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Office 365 account and sign in. When I sign in, I'm going to have the option to open a new Word document. So over along the side here, I have my icons, and I'm looking for the one with the W on it for Word. It's blue. I'm going to click on that, and then I want to say New Blank Document. So I'm going to click on New Blank Document. When I open this new blank document, I now can type here. So I want to give it a title, so I'm going to say, what is matter? And then I could call them my text-based evidence questions. Notice I'm getting all of that just from over here where it says text-based evidence questions, what is matter, okay? And then I'm gonna go ahead and put my name on it. I know that because of where I'm submitting it, my name will also be on my assignment, but just for good measure, I'm gonna put my name here as well. Okay, and then I can even practice some good text features here and title this section Key Ideas and Details, and here's my number 1. And notice it says, according to the first paragraph of the text, what is matter? So if I'm going to answer that question well, I'm going to say, according to the first paragraph of the text, comma, and then it's going to tell me exactly what matter is. So I'm actually going to quote this. I'm going to say matter is ... So whatever it tells me in the text is what I'm going to put there as my answer. Okay? Then I can go on and answer number 2. Explain why scientists describe the physical properties of matter. So my sentence should begin something like, scientists describe the physical properties of matter ... So I'm going to finish that sentence. So notice I'm answering in complete sentences. I'm using capital letters. I'm using proper punctuation. Okay? All these things are good. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to keep reading my text. I'm going to mark up my answers. I'm going to answer them here in this Word document. Now let me make this screen bigger so you can see the next step. So notice up here, it's still being called document 2, but I don't want it to be document 2. I want it to say what is matter, because that's the name of my assignment. So I'm going to change it to what is matter. That's that step. Now I want to share this, because I'm going to attach it in a moment to my assignment that I'm turning in to my teacher. So over here on the share button, I want to click share. And I'm going to change this. Well, actually, I can leave it. People in Hernando County School District with the link can edit. So my teacher is in Hernando County School District, so she's going to be able to view it. And I could change it to not allow editing. That would mean my teacher can't write on it. She can just view it, okay? You can leave that checked, not leave it checked. It doesn't really matter. The important part here is that we're going to say copy link. So now this link is what I'm going to put into my assignment when I submit my work, okay? So I'm going to end this first video here. I just want to remind you that you are looking at the questions here in the assignment. You went to your single sign-on, you clicked on Office 365, you opened a new Word document, and then you were typing your responses to the questions. And then you come up with that shareable link. Okay, and in the next video, I'm going to show you what to do with that link and how to add it to your assignment. Okay, thank you.